What would you like me to tell you? Would you like to talk about life or would you like to talk about cars?
Well, I like cars.
Okay. Well, see the headlights out on that car right there?
Yeah.
There's an old junk car right there that's got some headlights on it. When you're building a car like this, sometimes you don't have everything. If you know what I'm trying to tell you. Like I don't have the headlight bezel. I don't have. So when you're looking around and you have stuff or you see stuff, and you see stuff that can work, that's what we do. I do not go to the catalog and say I need some headlights. I don't do that. What I do is I look around and them headlights are very nice out on that car. Jolene's gonna go out there and she's gonna cut them off. And we're gonna weld them on this car. And that's customizing, if you know what I'm saying. If you have to look in a magazine to make yourself happy, if you have to buy something to make yourself happy, go to work.
Yeah.
Go to work, if you know what I'm trying to tell you. You know, you have to go to work. Yeah. Follow your dream, I guess. If you have a dream, follow it. Make a decision. Do you know how to make a decision? I'll tell you what. When you see a squirrel in the road and it's dead, you know what? You never made the decision to go right or left.
It's stuck in between.
Yeah, you're stuck. And what happened?
It's too late.
You never made that decision. If you would have made the decision to cross the road or go left or right, you probably would have made it. So in life, do not be scared of making decisions whether to use the headlight on the car. If you want to, you know what I mean? You got to make that decision. Good decisions will give you a nice car. Poor decisions will give you a poor car, if you know what I'm trying to tell you. A poor decision. And the poor decision would be, what can I say a poor decision is?
Buying the lights from Canadian.
Maybe not doing the best job you could is a poor decision. You know what I mean? It's a poor decision not to half-ass it. If you're going to do it, you may as well make it look the best you can. 100%? Make it look the best you can?
There's no sense putting 50% into something you're gonna do.
You guys all like getting in trouble, or just don't like school, or?
You know,
Shit happens.
Well, it could be you want to shape the world your own way, you know what I mean? School's not for me, that's a good answer, is it not? I don't enjoy it that much, it's not hard. Well, not everybody has to enjoy school. You don't say I don't like it, or I enjoy other things, or if you know what I'm saying. So why does not everybody enjoy school, or why didn't you go to school, or why are you at where you're at? Can you tell me that?
I enjoy school because I enjoyed this school because it helped me get better, because at my old school, like, there's way too many people and the teachers couldn't help me.
So in life, if you know that, don't get wrapped up in the wrong decision around a bunch of people you shouldn't be.
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, stick with the right.
Well, you know what's going right and what's going wrong. You already told me. So when you make the decision to go on to life, you know not to hang around with people, because you'll do the wrong thing when you know. We just got a message from jail this morning, and I enjoy the messages because they're at the very bottom of the barrel. You know what I mean? They're at the bottom. Now they got to dig their way up. Now they're in there figuring who they are, and then they get inspired to come out and do whatever they want to do. If you know what I mean. I'm a nobody. I live here in Canning, Nova Scotia, and now we got a TV show. What do you think of that? Because I work, I went to work, you know what I'm saying? We put it out there, and I stayed away from people that, you know what I mean? When you get down, and I stay in the grid because I'm staying away from people that make me do things that, no, they don't make me do nothing, sorry. I am in control of myself, but I stay away, and then I get something done. You know what I mean? What can you accomplish in your life if you keep on the right path and be around the right people? It could be endless, couldn't it?
Yeah.
It could be endless. Why do you like this school?
It's helped me a lot. It's helped me get the ability to like learn more and like interact with people more. Because at my other school, just wasn't about it, wouldn't do a lot of things, just sit there.
You didn't want to be there.
Yeah, just didn't want to be there at all.
You're allowed not to want to be there.
Yeah,
You're allowed not to want to be there. Like, listen, you're your own person, and you will take in when you're ready. You know what I'm saying? But in the meantime, just remember, you have to be, you know, you have to be, what can I say, your own person, and be respectful of everybody else as you're figuring out yourself. Why do you like this school?
Because my last school didn't really care too much about the students, they just cared about like the job and making money. And then when I came here, they actually cared about like you learning and, you know, getting your grade 12. It kind of made me want to come to school more.
I don't give a shit about money either.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Once you get into a project and you start working on something, the money is the last thing that you think about. And I'll tell you why. That may be a roadblock. Nobody wants to be in no roadblocks when they're building a car. So if I thought about money all the time, we were building this car, well, I ain't got the money to buy headlights for it. So I'm gonna shut it down? No.
Do around it.
Look, yeah, think of something else, you know what I mean? You can think of something else to go forward. Just because, having no money should cause creativity. And do not think that if you've got no money in your life, that does not matter. It does not matter. You cannot give me that excuse if you had no money. You know what I mean? You're working every day and you get a little bit, that's enough. Why do you like this school?
Me?
Yeah.
I just gotten too much shit in my other school.
Yeah? What, was you not paying attention or
Everything.
everything?
Yeah.
And why is that?
Because I didn't like that school.
Okay, you didn't want to be there.
No.
Are you acting up here?
No.
That's good.
Yeah.
Everybody's probably treating you with a little bit of respect.
Yeah. The school
Do you know
I
how to get
enjoy
respect?
going to.
Do you know how to get respect?
Give people respect.
Man, you're smart guy. No wonder nobody likes you. You respect and then you give it back. If you do not respect, you can't get it back. If you know what I'm saying. Why do you like this school?
I just like it because go to the classroom. I don't like sitting around all the time.
Yeah.
That's all you did in public schools, and especially AWAC, just sit in the class until you leave.
Right. So you enjoy this interacting more.
Yeah, I like getting out here and doing stuff. Coming here.
When you get out on your own, you have to go to work, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Hard as you can.
yeah. That's something I like.
Well, let's face it.
Eventually there's gonna be something you don't.
Well, there's good and bad in life, so you're gonna have to take the first job and think about the next one while you're getting there.
Yeah,
You know
think
what I'm
about where
saying?
you wanna go, not where you're at.
Yeah, work hard. Work hard, because if you don't work hard, I think the young men could be interested in anything, would use their hands, I think. Try to become the best you can at it. That's like the only thing I can tell you. Yeah, you want a pretty girlfriend, treat her nice. Right? Simple things, just simple. Keep life so simple that it's easier. That's what I do with the cars. I keep them very simple. I like to simplify things. I'll show you this car right here. As we weld the fenders on, and we fill the fenders out, what it does for me, it simplifies the car, because I do not have to bolt the fender on no more. I don't have to get on the inside of it and fold it up anymore. I do not have to worry about the fitment. All that sort of stuff. So what I'm actually doing, this car is really not that great a shape. If I was going to restore it, I'd have to fix the lip on the inside. I'd have to fix the other lip on the inside. I'd have to make sure there's clips on it. I would have to make sure there's bolts all the way around it. I would have to make sure it fits right. So instead, we go, weld it on, makes it look good. Simple. It's the easiest thing to do to make this car stand out. For me.
It stands out.
Does it stand out?
It stands out.
You'll all be drooling when I drive by. I'll just give you the thumbs up. Anything else I can tell you?
I'm curious about your welding rods.
Curious with the welding rods. Does any of you guys want to learn how to weld?
I mean, I kinda do with pipe hanger.
No, I'm gonna put it down there. I'll show you how to weld. Give each one of you a stab at her. Want to go for it?
Sure.
Let's do it.
I've never tried. You've never welded?
1, 2, 3. It's Friday! Right on. That was good. That was the best one yet. We're doing a Friday video right now. We have a few workers in the shop, and we're all going to take a stab at the welder. And yeah, we're all going to take a stab at the welder and see how they like it, if they don't like it. I'm happy you're all here. I hope you all do good in life, you know. I hope you all do good in life. Just good decisions means good life. Bad decisions, you can figure it out from there. Here, take that thing.